So good evening to everyone. Today we are going to see about how to clear the CKAD exam, Kubernetes Application Developer exam in 5 days. So before a couple of 2 weeks, I have gone for this CKAD exam. So I'm planning to share those experience with you guys. So how I prepared, how I cleared this CKAD exam, everything I will tell in 5 minutes. So there are, you guys know, there are 16 questions in the CKAD exam. So I made a note of all the questions since I did cleared in this exam in second attempt. So I remember and make a note of these questions um, to share with my friends and colleagues. So these are the 16 questions I made a note. So first they will ask about network policy. So you have to prepare. I planned for 3 questions each day. So based on that, 5 days I prepared this exam, these questions, and 16th, sorry, sixth day I gone for exam. So first you have to learn about network policy to restrict the pods. You know that network policy is to nature of Kubernetes. Once you are creating a pod, it automatically communicate with in between nodes and pod to pod communication. So for that you have to restrict the pod once you are creating. So for that we are creating network policy. So you have to study about all network policy concepts, and then resource allocation itself we are getting 2 questions, one for resource allocation, another one for limit range. So this each questions I will explain in separate video. Just I will give overview today. Okay. So second and third will be resource allocation. Fourth question is readiness probe. Readiness probe only will they will ask. They won't ask about liveness probe. So don't get confused with liveness and readiness probe. Just prefer for this readiness probe. Please consider this video is only for CKAD exam point of view, not learning purpose. So some people want promotion means they need to clear CKAD or CKA exam. So those kind of people, you can contact me in that below WhatsApp number, or else you can watch this video itself enough to clear this CKAD exam. So fifth one is environmental value. So in that environment value, yeah, they will provide some deployment. Though in this deployment, we have to update this environment value. Then we have to update the image name, then downgrade the image name. Then they will ask about maximum and minimum surge value. Those things also we have to update it. After that we have to expose the deployment. One more question they will ask, expose the deployment. It will vary, this maximum minimum surge value they will ask in that image upgradation, or this exposed deployment they will ask this question. Eighth question, that Docker build question. You have to build a Docker image and save as a OCS format. Then ninth is API deprecation. You have to install kubectl convert plugin. Then you have to convert this latest API to, oh sorry, this old API to latest API. 10th is cron job. You have to I think I spend the one day this cron job itself, because we have to create one difficult cron job, then we have to test one job in this question. 11th is canary deployment. It is very easy question to they will ask. I will explain this canary deployment in a separate video. Then 12th is generic security. Create a security for one pod and attaches a volume, sorry, environment, like that they will ask question. Then 13 question, that they created one deployment, then that deployment is getting some error like forbidden error, that will come. So you need to check this RBAC and service account. Based on that you have to fix it. I feel this is very difficult in that question. After that security context for containers, not pod. Those things you have to prepare. Then 15th I missed out here, create a service account. So they provide one service account. Okay, we have to include that service account to a deployment. They created one deployment and they created one service account. We have to add the service account into the deployment. And then 16th is increase resource. So not like CKA exam, here they will provide everything, increase service, increase resources, service, everything they will create and provide. Anyway, we won't reach that path, particular path, so we have to find out and fix that issue. So these are the 16 questions you have to prepare before going for exam. So topic wise, again I am saying that network policy, increase resources, deployment and canary deployment, cron job, API deprecation, Docker build a Docker image and save as a OCI format. And then environmental values and limit range and readiness probe. These are the major topics you need to prepare before going for the examination. Thank you.